Hi! Today, I will show you how to install our WordPress plugin and connect your site to the Social Web Suite platform. So, let's dive in. Log into your WordPress site and go to the Plugins dashboard. Click on the Add New, and then in the search box type Social Web Suite and you will see the Social Web Suite plugin. Click on the Install button, and then on the Activate button. That will install and activate the plugin from wp.org. You will now be prompted to our opt-in pop-up. If you want, you can give us an authorization here to see some of your backend setup that will later help us in the debugging. If you don't feel comfortable allowing us with this, you can just skip this pop-up and continue. This is the main page of our plugin on your site. On this page, you can click and check our how-to videos in case you ever need any help with Social Web Suite. To continue, just click the Connect to Social Web Suite button. You will then go through our walkthrough wizard. On the first window, we will ask you to confirm that you want to connect your site to the Social Web Suite platform. On the second window, you can either set up your website settings or go and share something. Once you connect your site to Social Web Suite, we set your settings for you, so we can skip this and go to the dashboard. Now, all you have to do is connect your social profiles to your WordPress site. Click to Social Profiles, then to any social profile you want the posts from your WordPress site to be shared to. There, just click the white box beside your website's URL. I'm sure you will become a social media wizard in no time with Social Web Suite. However, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time. We would love to hear your feedback and any suggestions you might have. Happy sharing!